Hi everyone, welcome back and to my latest site arrival video, which features Lady Hayes Holiday Park near Frodsham in Cheshire. And I need to say thank you once again to Mark Twaits for the footage for this one. Again, this one looks fairly straightforward. We're starting our footage on the A56 heading towards Chester, which can be reached from junction 12 of the M56, and the site is just 3.5 miles from that junction. The first turning is coming up now, and that footbridge provides a pretty good landmark. It's onto the B5394 and it's signposted Kingsley, Norley and Delamere. Once you've made the turning, follow the road for around half a mile. T-junction, make a left turn onto the B5152. There should be a brown tourist sign there indicating the site as well. Once you've made the turn, it's 1.2 miles to the site entrance, which will be on the left hand side. Once you've made the turn, follow the road to the left of the fence past the barrier there. That's a clubhouse on the left hand side, and make a left turn just after that. And the entrance to the touring park is on the right hand side, and that's reception straight in front of you. Okay, so thanks once again to Mark for the footage and to you too for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.